Good morning, grade 3. Today we're going to learn about birds and their nests. All of you open to term 2 and lesson number 2. Last chapter we have learned about the birds. And this chapter we are going to learn about the birds and their nests. So what we exactly see, the nest of a bird is not just made ready-madely. The bird makes a lot of effort to make the nest, and this most of us do not know, right? So let's learn from this lesson, and I want to share the screen, and you will see the lesson on the screen. That will make you more interesting. Now, um, when you open to page 116, you will see the page, and you will get to see the nice bird picture here to show you the nest picture and the beautiful small birds and the eggs in the nest of the bird. I just wanted to show you this lesson on the screen. So I'm sure everybody is looking at the book. Okay, so even if you are having this with you, I want you to open the book also, so that you can understand the lesson in a better way. Okay, so birds, we all need the shelter from heat, like how we all need shelter from rain, cold. For that, we build our houses. Yes, you all know that very well, right? So, but birds also need some shelter. So, for that, they make the nests, and birds are all self-made. They are self-dependent for their homes and the food they search for themselves. The home also they make for themselves. So for what they make the homes? They make the homes to survive and to save themselves from the rain, heat, cold, etc. And they also lay the eggs in the nest. So to lay the eggs also, they need that protected place like nest. So let's read about the nests. Birds build their nests to lay eggs and grow their young ones. And I want you to repeat after me. Birds build their nests to lay eggs and grow their young ones. You may have seen sparrows building their nests on a tree or a corner of your house. You may wonder the following. What materials do the birds use for building their nests? When do birds build their nests? Do they build their nests all the year round or only at certain times of the year? So, when you look at the nest, you will get so many doubts, right? So, what are those doubts? You will be thinking, how many times will the bird make the nest in a year? Or will the bird live in the nest for the whole life? What happens if the nest gets spoiled because of the rain or it falls due to some other reason? Yes or no? You get so many doubts, right? So, what are the materials that the bird uses to make the nest? That and all we are going to read in this lesson. So, page number 117. So, let's just look at the picture. So birds build their nests to lay eggs and grow their young ones. You may have seen sparrows building their nests on a tree or a corner of your house. You may wonder about the following. What are they? What material do the birds use for building their nests? When do birds build their nests? Do they build their nests all the year round or only at certain times of the year? Now, we have answer to all these questions. If you can just look at this. Okay, so first I will read and then you have to read. Let us try to answer these questions. Why do birds build their nests? Birds build their nests to lay eggs. Why do you think, why do you think the birds build their nests? The birds build their nests to lay the eggs. Okay. Now, to hatch their eggs and reproduce their young ones. Also to hatch the eggs and to reproduce their young ones. To protect and feed their young ones until they are ready to fly. To protect and feed their young ones until they are ready to fly. That means the small, here we'll go from the beginning. Birds build their nests. To lay the eggs. To lay the eggs, they build the nest. Next point is to hatch their eggs and reproduce their young ones. So if the eggs are laid, do you think the eggs are just getting hatched into the chicks on their own? No, the birds have to sit on the uh, eggs for a very long time and give the warmth to the eggs. Only then the eggs will develop into the chicks. So, to hatch their eggs and reproduce their young ones, the birds will lay the eggs in the nest. And to protect and feed their young ones until they are ready to fly. So, the birds, when they are hatched out of the eggs, they are very, very small chicks. Okay, I showed you in this picture when they are like this, and here they are very, very small. So, will they be able to fly from the nest? Will they be able to go out for in search of food? They cannot do. Just like how small babies cannot do, even these small chicks cannot go and search for the food because their wings are not very strong to fly. They will fall if they come out of the nest. So what will the bird do? The bird will protect the small chicks until they are ready to fly, until they become very strong. So, to give shelter to their young ones from heat, cold, rain, and wind. So, apart from this, they are very small and they might get affected with the cold, heat and the and the wind. Cold, heat, rain, and the wind. So, what will the bird do? The bird will protect them from the heat, cold, rain, and the wind. Sometimes a he bird makes beautiful nests to attract the she bird. So what will the he bird do? He bird will make a beautiful nest to attract the she bird. Mostly birds build their nests before the start of summer and rains. So they are also very smart. They don't want to get exposed to the heat of the summer. They want to protect themselves from the heat of the summer and also from the rains. So what the birds do just before the summer season or just before the rainy season, they will make up their nest. So what is the use if they make the nest before summer and before rain? If it rains heavily, the bird can sit happily inside the nest. If it is very, very hot outside in summer season, the bird can happily sit on the branch nicely in the nest. So, coming to the next point, where do birds build their nests? So, now we understood why the birds build their nest. Now we will understand where do birds build their nests. So, birds will make their nests in safe places where enemies cannot harm them. So, for every living thing there will be one enemy. For example, the birds are eaten up by some other big animals. So, and the eggs and the small chicks are also eaten up by some other big animals. So, these birds make their nests in safe places where enemies cannot harm them. If there are some enemies like snakes and some eagles, the big birds, what they do, they will always look for a small a nest and the chicks develop into the small nest so that they can easily catch the small birds and eat them away. So these birds make their nests in safe places where enemies cannot harm them. So birds build their nests at places where they can easily get food. So if they build a house in a place where they cannot get the food, what is the use of making the nest there? It is waste, right? Even when you want to construct a house, what is the place that you look for? You will be looking for a place where you get all the things available for food, for dresses, for the school and everything. Just like that, the birds are also very smart and they look for places where they can easily get the food. Now, most birds build their nests on the trees. What do? They build their nests on the trees where in the broken walls, old buildings, skylights, ventilators, tops of fans, etc. So they have different places. What are the places that the bird tries to make up the nests? It is on trees, in the broken walls, old buildings, skylights, ventilators, tops of the fans. So these are the places which the birds find to make their nest. So the next one, birds also, what are the materials that the birds use to make up the nest? Birds use grass, feathers, twigs, paper, old clothes, rags, cotton, wool, small leaves, etc. to build their nests. It is really a fun to watch them carry material in their beaks to the nesting places. They work very hard to build their nests. So a small bird is very how much in size? This much in size. But when you look at the nest of the bird, it will be very nicely woven. It will be very nicely kept for the chicks to grow, for the eggs to be hatched, right? So, how is the bird able to do? They work very hard. What are the things that are needed for the birds to make the nest? They use the grass, feathers, twigs, paper, old clothes, rags, cotton, wool, small leaves to build their nests. And it is really a fun to watch them carry material in their beaks to the nesting places. They work very hard to build their nests. They fly again and again to collect the material for their nests. So what do? They fly again and again to collect the material for their nest. So that if they want to make a big nest, they have to fly again and again to get the material. Yes or no? They make the nest warm and cozy for their young ones. So what do? They make the nests warm, cozy for their young ones. If you can just see this, how near the fan ceiling they made one. And inside the old wall, broken wall, there is some space here. Here if you can see where the bird can build its nest. And here between the branches there is some space. There also the bird can make its nest. So these are the different places for the building of the nests. So we'll just revise the part of the lesson and then we can complete the lesson in the next part B. So now I just want to revise different types of nests. We will be also looking at a glance now once we revise what we did now. So what do the birds do? Why do birds build their nests? Let's read once again. Birds build their nests to lay eggs, to hatch their eggs and reproduce their young ones, to protect and feed their young ones until they are ready to fly, to give shelter to their young ones from heat, cold, rain, and wind. Sometimes a he bird makes beautiful nests to attract the she bird. Mostly birds build their nests before the start of summer and rains. And where do they build their nests? Birds make their nests in safe places where enemies cannot harm them. Birds build their nests at places where they can easily get food. Most birds build their nests on trees in the broken walls, old buildings, skylights, ventilators, tops of fans, etc. And birds use grass, feathers, twigs, paper, old clothes, rags, cotton, wool, small leaves, etc. to build their nests. It is really a fun to watch them carry materials in their beaks to the nesting places. So they work very hard to build their nests. They fly again and again to collect the material for their nests. They make the nest warm and cozy for their young ones. So these are the places where the bird will search to make the nest. Now, what are the different types of nests of the bird? Now, different birds make different types of nests, like how different people live in different kinds of houses. Yes or no? So, just like that, the birds are also making different kinds of nests. Nests of sparrows and pigeons. Sparrows and pigeons make their nest on branches of trees, windows, and ventilators of the houses. They use bits of straw, leaves, pieces of clothes, cotton threads, feather. So these are the materials they use to make up the nest. Now, nest of a tailor bird. A tailor bird uses large leaves to make its nest. It keeps its sharp beak like a needle to sew leaves together with the thread, a wool or a spider web. As it chews its nest, it is called a tailor bird. So, because it sews its own nest by using the thread or wool or a spider's web, it will use the string to weave the nest. That is why, just like how the tailor does with our clothes, the bird will stitch the big leaf into a nest. So it's called as the tailor bird. Now next, nest of a weaver bird. A weaver bird acts like a weaver in making its nest. It makes its nest with fine strips of palm and banana leaves, grass. The nest hangs down from the branch of a tree. On the lower end of the nest is an opening for the bird to go in and come out. So this is a very beautiful nest which you will find everywhere near the wells, near the tree tops. A weaver bird acts like a weaver in making its nest, makes its nest with the fine strips of palm and banana leaves of grass, and the nest hangs down from the branch of a tree. On the lower end of the nest, there's an opening for the bird to go in and come out. That makes very sense and it looks very, very beautiful. Next is the nest of the woodpecker. So a woodpecker makes its nest in the trunk of a tree. It makes a hole in the bark of a tree with its sharp and hard beak. The hollow space is lined with chips of wood to make it cozy and warm. So the woodpecker is also very smart because it has a very sharp beak. What it can do, it can poke the wood of the tree and it can make the hard hollow space inside the trunk of the tree and then with the chips of wood to make a cozy and a warm nest for its chicks. So the nest of the woodpecker is also very beautiful and unique. Next one is the nest of a bulbul. What is bulbul? So bulbul makes its nest with dry grass and in hedges and bushes. Its nest is like a deep cup. The eggs and young birds do not fall out of it. So what is the advantage if you have a very big one? It's a big one means depth is long and depth is deep and big eggs can fit in and they don't fall off. Okay. So that is the advantage of the nest of the bulbul. That's the reason why they make the big nests. Nest of vulture. Vulture makes big nests on tall trees with sticks. The nest of a vulture looks like a shallow cup. So how does it look? It looks like a shallow cup. Now, next is the nest of the Partridge and a duck. Partridge and ducks make their nests on the ground. They dig holes in the ground with their beaks and feet to make their nests. They put some grass and leaves to make the nest cozy. The nest of the owls. Owls build their nest in the hollow of a tree or a wall. Can you see in the picture? It also uses an old building for making its nest. The nest is lined with grass and feathers. Now, nest of quails. The quail is a crazy but a clever bird. It does not build its nest. It lays eggs in a crow's nest. The mother crow hatches them as her own eggs. She also feeds the babies along with her own because they look quite alive. So what does the quail do? The quail will drop the eggs, lay the eggs in the nest of the crow, and being very smart. So what will the crow do? The crow will bring the eggs of the quail, and because all of them look alike, so they will bring babies will be fed by the crow only. So they bring along with her own because they look quite alike. So next lesson we learn about caring for the young birds. Now let's revise on the whole. What are the different types of nests of the birds? So different birds make different types of nests, and we saw the nest of the sparrow and the pigeon, which will be found on the ventilators, branches of the trees and windows, and they use straw, green leaves, pieces of clothes. Tailor bird, nest of a tailor bird is used large leaves to make because it stitches, it's called as a tailor bird. Nest of a weaver's bird. Weaver's bird also will make a weaving by using the banana leaves, grass, etc. So there will be one opening at the bottom using which the bird will go in and come out. Nest of a woodpecker. A woodpecker makes its nest in the trunk of a tree. Next is a nest of the bulbul. It has a very deep cup which can protect the eggs from falling. Nests of the vultures are also big nests on tall trees with sticks. The nest of a vulture looks like a shallow cup. Nest of a partridge duck are on the ground. They don't want to take any risk. Nests of the owls are deep inside the bark of the tree. And the nest of the quail does not make a nest of its own. It will lay eggs in the nest of the crow, and the crow will upbring the chicks of the quail. Also, in this part A lesson, we have learnt about how the nests are built and why the nests are built. What are the material used for the nest to make? So you have to do the activity of this lesson is you have to make a nest. Make a nest, use all the material that we have mentioned in this lesson. What are the material that the bird is using to make the nest? Old leaves, okay, small woolen threads, cotton, and then pieces of sticks, pieces of threads, leaves. All these can be used to make a beautiful nest. So what I suggest you is, as part of activity of this lesson, you make a nest, take a picture and send it on the school form. So in the next lesson, in the same lesson, part B, we will be learning about how caring for the young birds is done by the other adult birds. By then, I want you to read the lesson thoroughly and also understand, underline the new words that are there in this lesson, and do the activity of make a nest is the activity, and learn all the new spellings from the lesson. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. So read the lesson thoroughly and make the activity without fail. Bye bye. Have a good day.